What is up, guys? YouTube333. Like, subscribe, and share. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to basically use your Swiffer. This one is basically for heavy-duty pets, but you can get any different kind. And this is how you basically install this piece of paper thing right here, if you don't know. So you're going to put this in the middle here, like that, and then you're going to get these ends, and all you do is just press down right here. Put your finger like that, and then here you're going to press down. Same thing. Press down. Press down. And then you should have secure enough to where you see. And it's cool because this one also goes, sideways. You can see the floor whole different kind of ways with this. So I'm going to start over here and show you. Exactly. And it's very fast too. You see there's a stain right there. It gets them out relatively quick. There's a stain. Now it's gone. You can reach places too your broom can't even reach, so that's one of the things I like about it. You see that stain right there? So yeah, like, subscribe, and share. Check out links in the description. Peace out.